Can hear it again. That's it. Long, but also longer note. There's two bellbirds now. Two baby bellbirds. Above here is a golden-headed mannequin. Gold, bright gold head. I'm looking at it right now. That is, oh, that is amazing colours. Oh, there's the bellbird again. What is that one called? Constant call. She's giving a one-off. Oh, there's a, oh, it's a white-necked Jacobin. Yep, white-necked Jacobin feeding as well. This place is amazing. We're in Trinidad today. We're in St. Lucia yesterday. We've got 2 more days here. There, listen. Bearded bellbird again. Longer. Keep calling. Tuk, 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 tuk. Here it is. Here it is. A bit slower. Signing off for now.